Hey everybody, and welcome to the very first episode of Automotive Weekly's 1 Minute Tips. This is a new show that we're trying out where we basically put 1 minute on the clock like this, and we give you a 1 minute quick tip about anything from car culture to just normal garage stuff. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So on today's episode, we're going to be talking a little bit about some garage tools, specifically the wrench. Now, the wrench has been around for a long time and they're fairly bulletproof, but this one has a ratchet built into it. These are super great for when you have to get into an engine bay or doing some suspension work where you just can't normally get a socket set into. A really good example of this is when we were working on Josh's Mini, putting the lowering springs on earlier this year. Another really good example is when we were installing the transmission into the Outback. There was a couple very tight places that we needed to get to, but ultimately this is what saved the day. So it should be mentioned that these are definitely a little bit more expensive than the standard wrench. They're about $50 to $60, but I guarantee that they will last you for a very long time as long as you go with a reputable brand. Now, should be mentioned though, do not use the ratcheting side to break bolts because they can break and it doesn't end well for everyone. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe and let us know how we're doing in the comment section below. Remember, we have videos coming out every single Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So we'll see you Friday then.